Are you tired of visualizing your dreams? And nothing's changing. You've been journaling, affirming, meditating, yet your life looks the same. Here's the truth. The universe doesn't respond to what you want. It responds to what you believe and vibrate. Your energy is your order slip to the universe. So if you're asking for abundance with the energy of fear or lack, guess what you'll get? Let's break this down. 1, your thoughts aren't enough. You can say, I'm a millionaire 100 times a day. But if deep down you feel broke, guess what the universe hears? I'm broke. The law of attraction doesn't follow words. It follows emotion and energy. Your subconscious beliefs override your affirmations. 2, desire alignment. You can want something badly. Money, love, success. But if your core beliefs say, I don't deserve it, you'll unconsciously push it away. You're not manifesting what you want. You're manifesting what you are in your vibration. 3, the brain is a pattern machine. Most of your thoughts today, they're the same ones you had yesterday. That's why 95% of people live on autopilot, repeating the same emotions, reactions, and stories. To shift your reality, you must interrupt the pattern. That's why visualization or affirmations only work when paired with deep emotional connection and identity level change. 4, how to truly manifest. Here's the key. Don't just ask the universe. Become the version of you who already has it. Want confidence? Start acting like someone who believes in themselves. Want wealth? Practice feeling abundant before the money arrives. Want love? Treat yourself the way you want your partner to treat you. That's how you collapse time, by matching the vibration of the version of you that already exists in the quantum field. This isn't woo-woo, it's neuroscience. Your brain doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. So when you embody your future self now, you shift your frequency, and the universe responds. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, stop asking when your desires will come. Instead, start living as if they already have. Journal like it already happened. Walk, talk, and feel like your future self. Celebrate small shifts. They're signs you're aligning. And if you want a guided practice to tap into that version of you, check the link in the description. I've created a free quantum self-meditation to help you rewire from the inside out. You are not here to chase your dreams. You're here to become the version of you who attracts them. Remember, it's not about wishing harder. It's about aligning deeper. Because once you shift your frequency, everything else shifts with you. If this resonated, share this with someone who needs to hear it. And as always, keep vibrating higher.